We are actually going to discuss relative velocity, and for that purpose the two bodies must be under relative motions, and we are going to take few examples of that relative motion and relative velocity. What I tried in this picture is that there is a man who is walking along a road in this direction, and on the same road there is a car also moving in the same road along the same directions. But you know very well that car can move faster than man, therefore its velocity is quite slower, means v1 is quite less as compared to v2 of velocity of the car. This is how the distance between that man and the top car will increase, because it will move faster than the man. This is the example of relative motion. What's about these two car now? If the speed of the two car is same, then they are in relative motion? Of course they are in relative motion. This is because this car is moving in this direction and this car is moving exactly in opposite directions. Though their speed is same, but their velocities are different, because velocity is the vector quantity. Means if I am going to consider the v2 in the right hand direction, then v1 is in the left hand directions. v2 and v1, though their magnitudes are same, their values are same, their speed is same, but the directions are opposite. That's why the velocities are different, and you can take the answer of v2 minus v1 in this case as well as you consider in the previous case. So here these two are also in relative motions, and the difference between their relative velocities can be obtained v2 minus v1 here as well. So these are the two examples related to relative velocity. One can consider lots of examples. Actually, whenever we are talking about velocity of a body, I am going to consider the same. Actually, there is a car which is moving along a road in this direction, then its velocity is let's say 70 km per hour. Actually, you are measuring this velocity 70 km per hour with respect to earth, and earth velocity is considered to be, we are assumed to be v equal to 0. And if we are taking velocity of the earth as v2 and the top car is v1, then we can say that the car is moving faster than the earth, because earth is considered to be at rest with velocity v2. So what we always measure the velocity, that is absolutely relative velocity, and any body which is moving on earth, we are considering it is in a relative motion.